welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most asked questions on YouTube. How much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views in 2025? If you're a content creator or thinking about starting your YouTube journey, this video is a must-watch. By the end, you'll understand everything about YouTube monetization, CPM, RPM, and how to maximize your earnings. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Section 1. Understanding YouTube monetization host. Alright, before we break down the earnings, let's understand how YouTube actually pays its creators. If you're part of the YouTube Partner Program YPP, you earn money through advertisements placed on your videos. Your earnings are mainly determined by the key metrics, CPM cost per mil and RPM revenue per mil. CPM cost per mil, the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions. RPM revenue per mil, the actual revenue you earn per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. YouTube keeps 45% of ad revenue and gives creators 55% of what advertisers pay. So, if an advertiser pays $10 CPM, the creator gets $5.50 RPM. So, how much can you make for 1,000 views? Keep watching because the number varies by niche, location, and audience. Section 2. How much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views in 2025? Host. Now, let's get to the numbers. The amount YouTube pays for 1,000 views depends on factors like your niche, audience location, and engagement rate. Here's a breakdown of average earnings per niche in 2025. Tech and finance, $7, $15 per 1,000 views. Business and entrepreneurship, $8, $18 per 1,000 views. Health and fitness, $5, $12 per 1,000 views. Education, how to content, $6, $14 per 1,000 views. Entertainment and vlogs, $1, $5 per 1,000 views. Gaming and lifestyle, $2, $6. Important. If your audience is mainly from countries like the USA, Canada, UK, or Australia, your RPM will be higher compared to views from countries like India, Brazil, or Indonesia. Section 3. What affects your earnings? Host. So, why do some creators earn more than others for the same number of views? Here are 5 key factors affecting YouTube revenue. 1. Niche, business, tech, and finance content have higher CPMs than entertainment or gaming. 2. Audience location. Advertisers pay more for views from high-income countries. 3. Viewer engagement. Longer watch time and interactions increase ad revenue for ad types and placement. Skippable versus non-skippable ads impact earnings. 5. Seasonality. Ad rates are higher in Q4, October-December due to holiday marketing. Pro tip. If you want to maximize your earnings, create content in a high-paying niche with high viewer retention. Section 4. How to increase your YouTube revenue. Host. Now that we know how YouTube pays, let's talk about strategies to maximize your earnings. Here are the top 5 ways to increase your YouTube revenue in 2025. 1. Create longer videos. More watch time equals more ads equals more revenue. 2. Optimize for high CPM keywords. Use high-value keywords in your video title and description. 3. Engage your audience. Higher engagement leads to better ad placement and sponsorships. 4. Leverage multiple income streams. Try memberships, super chats, and affiliate marketing. 5. Post consistently. The more videos you upload, the more potential earnings you have. Did you know creators who post at least 2 to 3 times a week earn significantly more than those who post sporadically? Section 5. Alternative ways to make money on YouTube. Host. Ads aren't the only way to make money on YouTube. Many top creators earn a majority of their income from other sources. Here are some additional ways to make money as a YouTuber. 1. Sponsorships and brand deals. 2. YouTube memberships and super chats. 3. Affiliate marketing. 4. Selling digital products and merch. 5. Offering online courses and coaching. Diversifying your income streams is the key to long-term success. Section 6. Real-life YouTube earnings examples. Host. To give you a better idea, here are real earnings from actual YouTubers based on different niches. Small tech YouTuber 10K views, day, $70, $120 per day. Finance YouTuber 50,000 views, day, $500, $900 per day. Entertainment vlogger 100K views, day, $100, for $100 per day. These numbers show why picking the right niche matters. Conclusion. Host. So, how much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views in 2025? The answer depends on your niche, audience, and content strategy. But with the right approach, you can turn YouTube into a full-time income source. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video. Outro music fades out.